The powerful 13-inch convertible is a pretty unique device which may be particularly interesting for gamers who are in the market for an extremely versatile and portable gaming laptop that can also be used as a tablet. At last month's CIS 2023, Taiwanese PC manufacturer Asus announced the latest iteration of the pretty unique ROG Flow Z13, which basically is a more powerful and gaming-capable 13-inch alternative to the Microsoft Surface Pro. Although this RTX 4000 refresh appears to pack quite a punch in terms of GPU performance, deal hunters can now grab the current RTX 3050 equipped configuration of this convertible gaming laptop at a notable discount. E-commerce giant Amazon is currently selling the 2022 Asus ROG Flow Z13, which is equipped with the Intel Core i7-12700H Alder Lake chip and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, for $1,299 including free shipping. The 13-inch gaming laptop further sports 16 GB of soldered DDR5 memory, a 512 GB SSD, and a 120Hz FHD Plus display. This deal for the Asus ROG Flow Z13 offers $500 or 28% in savings in relation to the official list price of $1,799. And it matches Amazon's lowest price ever according to Camel's price tracker. We reviewed a more powerful configuration of this 13-inch convertible gaming laptop back in March 2022. And we were particularly impressed by the sturdy and well-made chassis as well as the colorful 1610 touchscreen with a peak brightness of around 500 nits. We also liked the Asus ROG Flow Z13's effective cooling system, which was surprisingly quiet considering the super portable design.